All right guys, today we are making my 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie recipe. They are absolutely delicious, just 3 ingredients. Creamy peanut butter, sugar, and 1 egg is all you need. These are a keto low carb recipe, so I hope that you guys will enjoy them. I'm gonna give you a little trick. When using like peanut butter or honey or anything like that, spray the inside of your measuring cup with no stick cooking spray, and it's easier to get out. So I'm gonna measure out the 1 cup of peanut butter. And you want to make sure that you are using a creamy peanut butter. I've tried it with like the natural peanut butters and just the oil that is in them. The cookies just don't bake right. All right, so we're gonna put that in here. See how easy that was to get out? Crazy, I know. All right, we're gonna do 1 egg. And then we're gonna do a cup of sweetener. I'm using Sucrin, I think it's called like Sucrin 1. It's a granulated 1-to-1 sugar replacement. All right, and then now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. We're just gonna go ahead and place the cookies about 1 inch or 2 apart. These will not spread much at all. And then I usually just bake them all on 1 cookie sheet. All right, now that all of the dough is on the cookie sheet, we're gonna use our friend again, the non-stick cooking spray. We're gonna spray the fork just a little bit, and then you're gonna go in and make your crosses that are known on the peanut butter cookies. There are all of the peanut butter cookies with the crosses on them. And then we're gonna go ahead and place these in the oven. There they are, they're done. All right, you're gonna allow them to cool on the baking sheet for like 2 to 3 minutes. They are a soft cookie, so if you move them previous to when they cool down, they're gonna deform a little bit. So let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes and then transfer over to a baking rack. Yep, pretty damn good.